Getting out of a kayak can be an awkward experience if you're not ready with the right technique. It's like trying to elegantly exit a low sports car, but with the added thrill of possibly falling into the water. The process involves several steps, each meant to stabilize your movement and ensure you don't tip over. Common pain points include dealing with the kayak's narrow stability and remaining dry in the process. Let's dive right into how to do it the right way. First things first, make sure your kayak is in shallow water when you attempt to get out. Trying to disembark in deep water can make things tricky and potentially unsafe. You wouldn't want to start swimming unexpectedly. Position your kayak so that it's parallel to the shore. This positioning helps distribute your weight more effectively, preventing an unwanted splash. Keep an eye on your surroundings to make sure you aren't drifting back into deeper water. Now, secure your paddle. Place it perpendicularly across the back of the kayak, behind the cockpit, extending from the kayak to the shore. This will act like a stabilizer. Think of it as the tightrope walker's balancing pole. A pro tip is to ensure your paddle is firmly resting on solid ground to maintain balance. This step already saves you from a possible aquatic tumble. The next step involves shifting your weight towards the paddle. And lean slightly onto the paddle for added stability. But remember, you're not transferring all your weight here. And it's like when you put too much weight on your footrest, do it gently. Your body's center of gravity will play a crucial role here. And luckily, this technique helps ground it. It is now time to edge yourself from the cockpit. Move one leg at a time, carefully swinging them out of the cockpit and onto the shore. It's like cautiously maneuvering out of a snug sock. Don't rush. Keeping your balance is key to staying upright and dry. Ensure your weight is evenly distributed. With your legs safely on shore, begin to push yourself upwards from the cockpit. Use your paddle once more as an anchor. This upward motion is like rising from a deep couch. A common pain point is losing balance here, so make sure your footing is secure on the shore. Keep your torso properly aligned. So once you've pushed yourself up, take a moment to stabilize. Find your bearings on solid ground before trying anything heroic. This short pause helps reset your body's equilibrium. And picture yourself as a surfer who's just caught a wave, now needing to steady on the board. And breathe. You're almost there. With a stable stance. Gently lift yourself fully out of the kayak. It's crucial to exit slowly rather than making any hasty movements. Imagine a sloth being your role model here. Slow and steady does win the race. Ensure your movements are smooth to prevent any missteps or tumbles. Be aware of the kayak's movement after you've exited. Unstable, it may drift if not secured. The last thing anyone wants is a wandering kayak. Sometimes it helps to have a buddy grab it or tie it up to prevent such instances. It's best practice to proceed by securing it properly before moving on to your next adventure. Lastly, assess your surroundings. Ensure your paddle and any belongings are accounted for. Often paddlers forget small items like water bottles or hats. Think of it as an obligatory post-exit checklist. A practical tip is to keep essential items in a dry bag, which is easier to grab in one go. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you kayak, the more intuitive these steps become. It's really about muscle memory and mindfulness. And the kayak exit can eventually feel as natural as stepping out of your front door. Keep refining your technique to suit your style and comfort. Finally, if you have the opportunity, try practicing with different types of kayaks. Some might offer unique challenges that are worth mastering. What works for one kayak might feel slightly different for another. But rest assured, the core principles remain consistent. Just like in Portland, where sometimes you practice getting out amidst nature's varied terrains.